They have for you, yep. Bartlett, $155 million trip them. Jesus Christ, I'm gonna ask them. Make King Nyah the Minister of Tourism to Jamaica because I don't know where them need $155 million for fly up and down for people come to Jamaica. Look how people love Jamaica. You see how when the Melissa relief we have to turn back money and steal food. People love Jamaica like crazy. People are killed for come to Jamaica. People literally dead. One plane pilot man, white people, rich people, America, because you can't pour a own plane. And are dead for carry food, literally. Salute you, rest in peace, brother. Who literally, him and him daughter, a fly plane come here, more than one trip. And when I trip end in the tragedy, them need for one for have to come to Jamaica. We don't need no $155 million for pick out Edman. We call him say Edman Bartlett. When me a grow, him a MP up a Mike Road up a Backbush I'm going now. And him was the MP there. So you see how long ago? You see how long back and him no age one day. How him for age? And him have taxpayer money and fly up and down all over the world and chat shit about tourism money. We don't need to spend them money there for people come here. People love Jamaica. Stop give Bartlett the money them, me a beg you bro God. Stop put money in a Bartlett them hand for waste and say them a bring tourists come here. We don't need that. Good.
Nyah, me a king of Jamaica.